Connecting Google Forms to Trello can help automate workflows by sending form responses directly to a Trello board, where they can be managed as cards. Here's how you can set it up. Use Zapier to connect Google Forms and Trello. The easiest way to connect Google Forms to Trello is by using Zapier, a tool that automates tasks between apps. Sign up for Zapier. Create an account on Zapier if you don't already have one. Create a new Zap. Once logged in, click Make a Zap to start the process. Set Google Forms as the trigger. Choose Google Forms as the trigger app. Select New Response in Spreadsheet as the trigger event. This means that each time a new form is submitted, the data will be pulled from the connected Google Sheet. Link your Google Forms account to Zapier and select the form you want to connect. Set Trello as the action. Choose Trello as the action app. Select Create Card as the action event. Connect your Trello account and choose the board and list where you want the form responses to appear. Map Forms responses to Trello cards. Map the fields from your Google form to the relevant fields on Trello. Test and enable the Zap. Test the workflow to ensure everything is working correctly. Once successful, turn on the Zap and Google Forms will automatically send responses to Trello as cards.